Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to guide you how to use corner cutter tool to cut the corner of a cabinet to fit the wall with a structural column. For one-click components, select the tool, corner cutter, and then select the component. Add new. Name the corner cut. For example, left corner. And then select whether it's on the left or on the right, and whether it's at the front or at the back. Next, left space. It's the distance from the corner cut to the left side panel. For example, 0. Width 200. Just type in the value. And the depth, and select whether to create panels or not. Top space 0. If we type in a positive value, it's gonna come down, but with a negative value, it's gonna come up. And do the same for bottom space. There are 4 types in which the panels are arranged. Then just select a type. Hit OK. So this is the width, 200, and the depth, 100. And the left space, 0. You can see that it's gonna cut other panels that are related to the corner. To change its properties, just select or type in another value and hit Enter key. For example, width 150 and hit Enter. It's automatically updated. We can create more than one corner cut for one cabinet. Select Add New. Let's make one on the right. And it's on the right, still at the back. And right space, 100 for example. Width, 100. And also create panel. This is type 1. Let's see type 2. And type 3. And 4. And if we select not to create panels, it's gonna cut, but without adding panels. To delete any of these corner cuts, just select Delete, and it will be removed. So this is how we use corner cutter tool to cut corners of the cabinets. For other tool instructions, see you in the next videos.